911, what is your emergency?
There has been an accident at Spooky Hollow. A head-on collision. Send help. Hurry.
Help is on its way.
I didn't drink. I promise. Mackenzie came by and asked me to go to Spooky Hollow. I knew she had been drinking, but I wanted to go. It sounded fun. I offered to drive, but after all, it was only a couple of miles, and I was sober. I thought we would be safe. Mom, Dad, I love you. Why didn't I make a different choice?
I'll check on your son. Just go stand by the truck. Go stand by the truck, you know.
What happened? This can't be my fault. I didn't even drink that much. Morgan told me I shouldn't drive. Of course I laughed at her. I didn't listen. I thought I had it under control. What have I done? Mom? Dad? I'm sorry. I made the wrong choice.
Please help me. I've got a police over here.
Ma'am, get back.
Help my son.
You strike. Get back. Ma'am, stand back.
Josh, are you okay, please?
Ma'am, get back.
Wait!
Wait!
Mom, why are you screaming? Mom, I'm right here. Why am I covered in blood? What are they doing to me? What's going on? Mom, help, I'm scared.
Please help my son. Get him to the hospital. Hurry. You can ride with him. Just let us get him loaded. Please. Officer, go over check on them girls, please.
They're dead.
These trucks coming out of the holler.
Good evening, guys. I hope y'all had a good time in the holler tonight. I'll let you know that the Community Anti-Drug Coalition has put on this scene for you tonight. Our message tonight has been don't drink and drive, and don't ride with somebody that is drinking and driving. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Y'all have a safe trip home. Thank you very much.